Nissan has taken a bold step by revealing an electrified version of the Frontier, but it is not what you might expect. This new plug-in hybrid truck, unveiled at Auto Shanghai, is based on the Chinese market Dongfeng Z9 and not the familiar Frontier Pro X or Pro 4X sold in North America. It marks Nissan's first true plug-in hybrid pickup, going beyond the usual range extender electric systems found in their e-Power lineup. Under the hood, the Frontier Pro in China is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor integrated into the transmission. Together, this setup delivers over 402 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, making it a serious contender in the electrified truck space. The battery allows for an estimated 84 miles of electric-only driving based on the CLTC cycle, which is known for being overly optimistic. The suspension is just as modern, with an independent double wishbone layout at the front and a 5-link setup in the rear. Drivers also get selectable modes like 4 high and 4 low, as well as performance and snow settings to adapt to various conditions. Hybrid and pure electric driving modes round out the list. Inside the cabin, a bold neon yellow theme surrounds a large 14.6-inch touchscreen and a 10-inch digital instrument cluster. Optional extras include heated, cooled, and even massaging front seats. There is also a handy vehicle-to-load function, offering up to 6 kilowatts of power through a port in the bed. While it will not be limited to China, it is unlikely we will see it in the United States due to high import tariffs and the 25% chicken tax. Still, Nissan's electrified Frontier Pro shows the company is serious about innovating for international markets. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest automotive tech from around the world.